out in the heartland, where the big trucks roam, a new wind's blowing, a change is coming home. Clean trails on the horizon, recyclable packaging, no plastics in sight. Green trails on the horizon, manifest is making 3PL sustainable. White glove care and eco-storage space. We're shifting gears in this e-commerce race. From Shopify to big commerce, we're plugged right in. With manifest, it's easier than ever to begin. Green trails on the horizon, recyclable packaging, no plastics in sight.